Good morning, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, September 12th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see, XRP is up 1.37% on the day. So let's start there. XRP, currently, if you watched the updates yesterday, or if you've been staying involved with the content I put out, after we made the breakdown yesterday, we said we would have the first retest would be up at 484. A rejection there would bring you down to the rising channel at 45 cents. You could also come up to about 49 cents because this is the short-term pattern breakdown, as you can see. You could be looking for a rejection here to verify how bearish it is in this area. And a rejection at 484, especially, that would bring you down to the rising channel support immediately. But if you break up past 484, let's say you get up to 49 cents and look for the rejection, a rejection there would also bring you down to the 45 cents. And then if you break the rising channel support, then you would be looking firmly down at 38 cents, which is the 2020 uptrend. But as of right now, first layer, we're looking for this first tier rejection at 484. That's a pivot level. So if we get rejected there, we know there's no point of even coming back up to this broken formation, or the short-term broken formation at 49 cents is what it looks like we're trying to trend to, but it's not even necessary if we get rejected at 484. The 4-hour time frame, we've got the 20-day coming right through 484. So are we going to break through there? It's not necessary. But with Bitcoin being up 4.45% today and up about 1,100 points, which we'll touch that in a minute. Actually, we'll look at that right now. That could be a little catalyst here if the markets continue to move. Bitcoin came down and fulfilled our technical target now, so there's nothing else I can say. Now that we came down and hit 25,194, I deleted the old low, which I had up there just because we had hit 25,003, whatever. But our technical target on the breakdown from the broadening wedge was 25,194. That's been completed now. It's actually fulfilled at 100%, and now it's starting to rally back up off of that area. First major resistance, now that we're over 26,193, is getting over 26,700 and retaking the 4-hour time frame. And then if you can get past there, you would have to get up here where we've had this dot cross and get back above 27,100 and start reversing back up. Ultimately, you need to be above 27,700 for me to say that we've reversed and are trying to invalidate this dot cross. Right now, standard operating procedure, and you can see a long leg doji here. So this could have signified we were becoming bearish at the bottom. And now we're going to see, because this could still mean that we don't have enough buyers. Even though we moved to a new high, we got squeezed back down into the middle, suggesting that even though we reached a new high, we didn't have enough buyers to push us out of this area. And now we've fallen back within. But we'll see, because right now we're at 26,243. And we'll see where we close today. If we close over 26,191, that'll be interesting. And then, as you know, on a long leg doji, it's the next candle that determines everything anyhow. So this could be a fake out here as we're railing after a big drop. And if we were to get rejection and fail to invalidate this dot cross at any time, and you see at any time us being rejected at the 25,194 level on a push back down, your technical target on a breakdown is 23,550. Or 23,500, we'll say. So just consider that. And then with XRP, the total market cap recovered just a little bit, not much, 274 million, back up to 25.45 billion. If we look at this, again, the market cap is doing the same thing as the price action. We're looking for a rejection here. And right now we're on the outside of the broken formation, which is why we're below the 49 cent formation and the 484 right now with price action, because we don't have a lot of strength here as of yet. We could have put in this little W reverse on a bull flag, which is what it looks like to me here. I know it's hard to see in the 30-minute, but that's what it looks like to me. So if this plays out truthfully, we should come back up over here on the market cap and start pressing 26 billion again. But I think this looks like it should bring us up to about 26.2. If we can break this area, then you could come back up to 27.6. But as of right now, it's looking a little more bearish than bullish, even though in the immediate short term, you can see a bullish setup here. So this should bring us up, even with the price action. I think we're going to have a date with this breakdown area, which actually makes perfect sense. We still need to come up a little more. this plays out this little target we're targeting up here at 49 cents. So it doesn't look like this move is done, especially with we've had a retracement on the 20-day. Looks like we're about to get a bullish cross in the 30-minute time frame. So in the immediate short term, I would see how we react to 49 cents. That's what I'm going to be doing. And then if we get back up within the structure, well, then that can open the door once again, back up to maybe that 54-cent area. But other than that, first you need to get above 484, which it looks like we're going to do. Then if you get back above 49 cents, which seems like you should, that could be where we retest and try to re-breach that 51 cents for a real rejection here. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this update, please make sure to hit that like button, as it will greatly help push me through the analytics. If you appreciate my work, subscribe to the channel and join the 18,400 subscribers. We're very close, within 20 to 18,500. So if you're on the fence, please, please, please consider joining the channel. And then share this far and wide, as it will help push me through the analytics by you sharing this update and the link through your social media. It really does help me through the analytics. If you want to send a donation or show me any kind of support outside of just watching and hitting the like button, you can look in the video description below and/or pinned comments. There's a way to join Tom's Army, but also if you don't want to send a YouTube super chat on YouTube or join Tom's Army by going through YouTube, there's alternative ways to send a donation if you would like. And then if you're looking for your favorite crypto to trade, XRP is your favorite crypto to like, video description below and/or pinned comments. You can use FEMX, no spot, the lowest spot maker fees in the USA, no VPN needed at all in the USA. And then if you have the ability, there's MEXC, which is my favorite platform to use. It's just it doesn't allow new users for the USA. So if you want to use those, they're down there. Lowest spot maker fee, so save money when you're buying them and ship it out to your cold wallets or to your favorite exchanges. Real quickly, as we've said, 484 is the first layer, but it looks like we're coming up to first this breakdown at 49 cents. And then if we get back within that rotation, we should be coming up for a rejection point here. If we get back into the 49 cent rotation, then we should have a move up to close to 51 cents. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully this helps. And remember, the next immediate support on a breakdown is the rising channel at 45 cents. And then if you break that, we've got nothing until the 2020 uptrend at 38 cents. Remember, you are the light surrounded by a world full of darkness. So it is up to you and I not to play the victim, but to play the winner and to make sure that we breed positivity, not negativity.